Attention please, 5 seconds. In these appeals, the conviction of the appellant as also the punishment awarded to him, particularly the capital punishment, are under challenge. Stop. Before dealing with the relevant aspects in necessary details, we may draw a brief sketch and outline of the matter. Stop para. The appellant has been accused of kidnapping a physically and mentally challenged 7.5-year-old girl in front of her parents from their fruit and vegetable vending cart, having thereafter taken her to a secluded place, having committed rape upon her, and having killed her by causing injuries on her head. Stop para. The prosecution case rested on circumstantial evidence to the effect that the victim was lastly seen with the appellant when he took her away, that the dead body of victim and other articles related with the crime were recovered at the instance of the appellant, that the appellant failed to satisfactorily explain his whereabouts and his knowledge of the location of dead body, and that the medical and other scientific evidence was consistent with the prosecution case. Stop. Thus, according to the prosecution, the entire chain of events was complete and was conclusive of the guilt of the appellant, excluding any other hypothesis. Stop. Per contra, the appellant asserted that he was falsely implicated, though he did not adduce any evidence in defense. Stop para. In its judgment dated 28/9/2013, the trial court convicted the appellant of the offences aforesaid with the findings that the prosecution had been able to substantiate the charges by proving beyond doubt that the appellant kidnapped the victim girl, committed rape and then murdered her and concealed the dead body. Stop. Then, on 1/10/2013, after having heard the accused appellant and the prosecution on the question of sentence, the trial court found no reason to take any lenient view in the matter, particularly looking to the gruesome nature of crime, and thus, awarded varying punishments, including that of death sentence under section 302 IPC. Stop para. The sentence of death was submitted for confirmation to the High Court in terms of section 366 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973. Stop. On the other hand, the accused appellant preferred an appeal against the judgment and order of the trial court. Stop. Both, the reference case for confirmation of death sentence and the appeal preferred by the appellant, were considered together, and the High Court, after finding that each incriminating circumstance had clearly been established, affirmed the conviction. Stop. As regards the question of sentence, the High Court, with reference to the nature of offence, in brutal rape and murder of a 7.5-year-old mentally and physically challenged girl, along with the calculated attempt to cover up the crime, found the present one to be rarest of rare case, and, accordingly, confirmed the punishments awarded to the appellant, including the sentence of death. Stop. It is also submitted that in the hurriedly conducted trial, the appellant was unable to effectively present his case, and that the young age of the appellant, his poor socio-economic background with family members being dependent on him, and the likelihood of reformation deserve due consideration as mitigating factors against capital punishment. Stop.